Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to assign product templates to a Shopify store. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to online store over here. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to your site and just simply go customize it. So guys, from here, once you are on your site, just simply scroll down and just simply select the product that you want. So I have here a short sleeve as an example. So I'm just going to click on it. And from here, once you have done that, you can edit your product over here. And from here, just simply click on this default product and a drop down will show up. And just simply click on product over here. And now just simply go ahead and create template. And now just simply name the template that you want. So I'm going to go for, let's say, a new one. And from here, just simply click on create template. And now guys, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and go back over here, exit. And after that, just simply go to products over here. And now from here, just simply select your product that you want. And from here, if you scroll down below, you should be able to see here theme template, and you should be able to click on this and you'll be able to see your product template. And from there, just make sure to click on save. And after that, you'll be able to assign the product templates to Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.